Dear student, this is Kiran and welcome to Kiran. In this chapter, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants, we would be studying about different whorls of the flower. Primarily, we have to understand what actually mean by the flower. The organ which helps in sexual reproduction is known as flower. Flower acts as a mediator to carry sexual reproduction. Let us focus on different whorls of the flower. Calyx. Let us consider the outermost whorl of the flower, that is calyx. Calyx contains sepals, and these sepals protects the internal reproductive structures of the flower. Calyx is nothing but it is the outermost whorl of the flower, and it mainly contains sepals, and it protects the internal reproductive organs of the flower. Then that is corolla. Corolla is second most whorl of the flower. Corolla is the second most whorl of the flower, and it contains petals. These petals attracts pollinators and protects the reproductive structures of the flower. Corolla is second most whorl of the flower, and it mainly contains petals which are in attractive colors, and these petals attracts pollinators and protects the reproductive parts of the flower. Then next whorl of the flower, that is Androsium. Androsium is male reproductive participant. Androsium is male reproductive participant. It is the third whorl of the flower. Androsium is nothing but it is aggregation of stamens. Aggregation of stamens together considered as androsium. Androsium or stamen mainly made up of two parts, that is anther and filament. The stamen mainly made up of two parts, anther and elongated filament. The transverse section of the anther shows pollen grains which are found in pollen sacs. This is all of about androsium. Then we will consider the next whorl of the flower, that is Canosium. It is also referred as carpel. Canosium is innermost whorl of the flower. Canosium is innermost whorl of the flower, and it is female reproductive organ and also referred as a pistil. It mainly consisting of stigma, style and ovary. Canosium is nothing but it is the female reproductive organ, this part that is innermost whorl of the flower. Canosium is also referred as a carpel. It is one of the leaf-like seed bearing structures that constitute the innermost whorl of the flower. Carpel is composed of an ovary, style and stigma. So Canosium is innermost whorl, and it is female reproductive organ and is also referred as pistil, and it is mainly consisting of stigma, style and ovary. Dear student, this is all of about different whorls of the flower. Thank you.